Hello friends and welcome once again. This is CA Rajiv Khatlawala, author of How to Profit from Technical Analysis. And today is 20th of January 2021. Right now around 9:30 a.m. And the markets have opened positively. Nifty and Bank Nifty both opened positively, but they are not able to sustain the upper levels in the initial part of the day. So let us see what are the levels for today. Incidentally, a lot of action is happening in the mid and small cap space, and many of these stocks which I had discussed in my Sunday sessions in the previous 2-3 Sundays are in fact right now performing quite well. And I am sure those of you who have attended my Sunday sessions would have benefited from these. So let us see what is happening in the Nifty. So Nifty, the trend deciding level today is 14,547, and right now we are just above that level. We're just nearer to that level, 14,553. So any break below the trend deciding level will initially give you a target of 14,470 and thereafter 14,400. Please note that any closing below 14,380, that is nearer to yesterday's open, would mean that yesterday's rise was corrective, as I had been mentioning, and thereafter you may expect a further correction in the tomorrow's expiry. So these are the levels for Nifty. In fact, yes, on the upside, you have resistance, strong resistance at 14,611 and 14,637. Now, as you can observe, these two levels are very nearer to each other. So this is a strong resistance zone, if we can say so. And therefore, any upward movement must be used to either book profits or exit your trades in the Nifty or Nifty based stocks. Let us talk about Bank Nifty. So in case of Bank Nifty, the Bank Nifty opened positively, but right now it is breaking the trend deciding level. The trend deciding level is 32,411. We are below that level, and therefore we'll initially target 32,216 and thereafter 32,011. In this case, please also note that any fall or close below 31,800 would mean that there will be a subsequent follow-up selling pressure in the coming days. On the upside, there is strong resistance at 32,600 to 640 levels, and these can be used for exiting your long positions. In case of Infosys, yesterday we had discussed about Reliance gave a good move. Let us see what is happening in Infosys today. So Infosys, the trend deciding level is 1329. My calculated level, the first target on the upside was 1343. In fact, as you can observe right now, the prices touched that level and then they are getting resistance there. Now, in case if there is a breakout of this, then you will target 1359, 1358 levels. On the lower side, the trend deciding level, as I said, is 1329. Below that, good support at 1319 and 1313 levels. So overall, this script can remain positive in a down market. Let us talk about HDFC Bank. Yesterday I had discussed about ICICI Bank, and today let us discuss about HDFC Bank. Now, in case of HDFC Bank, the trend deciding level is 1496. We are right now below that level and very much close to my first target of 1485. As you can observe, as the prices touch the first target, which I normally give you a calculation of, they will find a temporary support at that level, and that is exactly what has happened here. So those of you who have been tracking my videos would know that these levels are not random and not available across any other platforms. but they are calculated levels. So 1485 is your first target, and thereafter 1476, 7576 levels. On the upside, there is strong resistance at 1507 levels. Now let us talk about another banking stock. A lot of activity happening in the banking space. So let us talk about State Bank of India. The trend deciding level is 299.80, and right now we are above that level. So we are at around 300.25. So on the upside, there is a target of 303.75 intraday, and thereafter at 306.25, though it is not marked here. On the lower side, on a break below the trend deciding level, you can target initially 296 and thereafter 293. Please note, friends, that in case of State Bank of India, any fall below 293, especially a closing below 293, will be an indication of a further profit booking in this stock. So you can use the up moves in SBI to book some profits. So these are the levels for Nifty, Bank Nifty, and the three stocks we discussed. Thank you very much, and hope you have a good trading day. Thank you.